Hi everyone, we're gonna make a very fun abstract portrait. So it can be a self-portrait or you can just make up whoever you are drawing. You can add in any colors, anything that you'd like. I'm going to be using some watercolors and I will be working with acrylic paint on top of the watercolors. So you can mix and match any materials that you have at home. It can all be done in one material or several materials, completely up to you. I'm going to start with a nice big U shape right in the middle of my paper. This is going to be the face. From there, I am going to add in a neck. So pretty skinny neck. Like I said, this is abstract. It doesn't have to be very realistic. And some shoulders. So from my neck, going out to the side wider than my face. I am going to put in a little collar of my shirt. And right on the sides of the head, I will add in some ears. So everything else is going to be done with my art materials, my paints or color pencils or pastels, whatever you're using. So this is it for the drawing. We are going to begin by painting in solid a nice color for the skin. It could be super fun, blue, purples, any colors you'd like, or you can match it to a certain skin tone, your choice, and a nice fun color for our background. So I'm going to use watercolor. And I will begin by painting in the face. And don't worry about the very top. We will be adding hair and the neck. And the ears. So I'm not spending too much time on that. I'm gonna rinse my brush and pick a color for my background. Any color you would like. Go carefully next to the skin color. If it's still wet, you want to be very careful so those colors don't mix together. Right over where the hair is going to be. And I'll let everything dry for just a moment. So I have some acrylic paints and a bigger brush, and I'm going to fill in my shirt. Choose any color for your shirt. I'm going to do this nice dark blue. Fill it in. I'm not worried about any details on the shirt. I will probably add some fun designs in a minute when it's dry. I'm also going to use the same color. You can switch colors if you'd like. I'm going to use the same color, but I am going to put in some eyes. I'm going to keep this super simple, right about at the top of where the ears sit on the face. I am going to make these little eyes that look like little smile shapes. So just kind of closed eyes. I'm also going to make a little side smile. Notice the smile is closer to the chin. The eyes sit right about where the ears are. Any little eyelashes in here you can. Again, any color will work. And I'm going to choose a color for the hair. Pick a super fun color or pick a more realistic color. I'm going to make sure to use a big brush for this. And I'm going to go with a nice purple. If you want to create short hair, you can make short hair sticking up from the head. You can make hair that sticks out and down long. Anything you can think of. You can make hair that goes all the way up to the top and fill it with all different colors. So I'm starting here right where my ears are. And making the hair stick up from the top of my head, overlapping a bit. Notice I am painting in these brush strokes. So each brush stroke can be the hair. If you want hair hanging down next to the ears and behind the neck, you can do that too. And you can add in multiple colors. You can even switch materials when you do the hair and do it with a different art material. I finished my hair. I'm going to add in some details on my shirt. So I'm choosing another color. And I'm going to add these stripes. And last but not least, now that everything is dry on the face, I'm going to go in with the same exact color I used for the skin color. So I'm going back to my watercolors and I'm going to create just a little curved line for the nose. If you want to add eyebrows in there, you can add eyebrows. You can do it the same color as the hair if you'd like. Also an option is to add a little bit of pink cheeks. You don't have to do that part. So as much detail or as little as you would like. And that is it for our lesson. I hope everyone enjoyed this one. See you next time. Bye everyone.